And then let's see how to develop salt mask.
Okay, let's see.
Now our worker is putting the film on the board, and then those board will be sent to the exposure machine.
Oh, and then the photo mask will be exposed.
Yes, you can see the details.
Oh, I found that the process is similar to the cocoa trees development.
Yeah, it's very same to the trans exposure. Actually, the next step is etching, and it's also same as the cocoa trees, as we mentioned before.
Oh, I know.